For those of you that reached out and messaged me, thank you so much. Obviously, Dallas, Texas, we just went through Snowmageddon. I moved into this apartment 2 days before the storm. All of my stuff is being shipped, so I just had like clothes and a lamp and stuff in my car. So I had to go out and buy like bath mats, shower curtains, soap, like toilet paper, salt, pepper, like everything you can imagine. And because the weather was so horrible, I had to rush out and kind of buy like everything at Target, whereas my style, I would have taken my time. I would have gone to Home Goods, Target, Goodwill, curate things, you know? So I feel like I managed to get food and I never lost heat and electricity. So number one, that's the most important thing. I'm super grateful. But I felt like I literally like was prepping for a disaster at Whole Foods. Like I feel like I like literally had to pay full price, no discount for like everything you need to just like live for a week. We got through it, super grateful. It's like 60 degrees out. So we are all good over here. You can have all the most beautiful furniture in the world, but if the shell isn't really working and there's something that's really bothering you, you need to really address that. And addressing it first makes the most sense when you first move into a space. So for this particular apartment, I absolutely love the bones. I love the colors of the walls. I love the whole vibe of the entire apartment, but the kitchen is definitely the worst room in the space. And you should always start with the room that is currently frustrating you the most. Now, generally, the kitchen has some good qualities about it. It's big, it's spacious. I like the flow of it. There's a laundry room. But the biggest challenge with that space is that it's very, very dark. And so the white color that's painted in this space looks great, but that same white in the dark kitchen is coming off really, really beige. So in my last apartment, the spaces that really frustrated me the most were the kitchen, the bathroom, and the closets. So I know that now this is the best time to actually go ahead and paint the kitchen, paint the cabinets. The cabinets are also unfinished on the inside, which is not appealing to me. I don't even want to put my dishes in there. So I'm going to literally be doing all of that labor. And it's essential to do that when you first move in, because let's say I only stay here for a year, but I do this in the first 2 weeks of living in this space. This is when I have the most enthusiasm, the most energy. I don't have everything in right now. It's a great time to do it at the beginning. I also started wallpapering my laundry room last night. I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek of that, but do a separate laundry room makeover. I actually bought this contact paper to test it on the textured walls in my kitchen. And I loved it in the laundry room. So if you're doing like a major renovation in like a rental kitchen, which you can pretty much, you want to make sure that you're like assembling your materials all at once like a designer, so you can see how the paint color, the countertop material, any backsplash that you're choosing, your rug, light fixtures all work together, okay? I think it's just really important to do the things that sometimes seems like a hassle, because the long-term payoff is going to be so much worth it. And the longer you put the things off that bother you, the less likely you're going to want to do them. So it's really important to just like go all in, head first, take it room by room, and have fun with it. So thanks guys so much for watching. Definitely hit that subscribe button. And I forgot to mention, I am wearing this super cool French interior designer shirt that is available from my store below. I actually have this shirt in like a bunch of different colors. I feel like it's a really cool design. You guys know I love French stuff, so check that out. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.